bike. You can look at the bike. How does it look? This is the rear section. The only LED thing it has got is this, the tail setup. That's it. And the exhaust, it has a 140 rear section tire, 140 by 70, and the front is 110 by 70. Cool enough. And normal forks, 43 forks. And the best part which I like is the headlight of the bike. I know some people might not like it, but this is what I like in this bike. And most of them used to love the double exhaust which this bike has before. But in the BS4 version, since the BS4 version released, the made it only the single cylinder. I mean, since the BS4 version is launched, they removed the dual exhaust and just kept the single exhaust here. So before, the Mojo used to come as an XT variant and the UT variant. The XT variant stands for Extreme Tourer. So it has a dual exhaust and more power and more torque. So and also a UT variant which is same as this bike, a single cylinder, single silencer, and with less power, low bhp and low torque. So I don't know what they decided, what they got into their mind. They switched to this bike. Now it comes in only the one variant, Mahindra 300 ABS. It has a dual channel ABS now, and it's a BS6 version. So this is the bike, and yeah, this is what I love. And the bike feels good, and like when you sit on this, as you've seen, it feels really good. And the exhaust note, the best single in silence. I mean, uh, according to me, in single cylinder engines, this is the best exhaust which I like. I know people like the Bullet 350 exhaust and all, but this is pretty good. Let's hear the exhaust. And also here in the speedometer we just get the time, one odometer, one trip, trip A, trip B, and the highest speed you achieved in your ride. And this was not done by me, it was there in the starting. So yeah, that's it. It has got, and it's also got an ABS, as I told you, dual channel ABS, and that's it. And it doesn't get a gear position indicator or side stand sensor, engine cutoff feature, anything. It's just like a normal bike, with not like with you don't have electronics at all in this bike. Not much of electronics, if you say it's the same feature like normal bikes, it doesn't have much features. So the price of this bike on road is of this variant, of this color variant, is 2,48,000 on road. There's a lower variant which comes like only the black color, and it's the price of that is like somewhere around 2,35,000 on road. The basic difference between that bike and this bike is the color scheme, the paint scheme of this. It has a dual tone, dual color paint scheme, and also the tires. Which this bike has got is Pirelli Angel CT, both the tires Pirelli Angel CT, and there you get these MRF tires in the lower variant, which is only the black color variant.